right, here it is, the Anker Boom 2, the best speaker I've ever owned. Number one, this thing is waterproof. You can see in the back, this is the charging port. It's got USB out, so you can use it as a power bank, and it charges by USB Type-C. Plug that up, and this bad boy is gonna be waterproof. On the side, you can see these move. This is so the air can escape when the bass subwoofer is working. When you turn it on, by the way, these can't light up. This is your power button, your Bluetooth button, volume buttons, pause, play. This is your bass button. So this thing is gonna give you 24 hours of playback. When you turn it on, you'll get less playback if you turn on the bass and if you turn on the lights. If you press the bass button twice, the lights will turn on. You can change them. It's pretty cool. You can also turn off the bass. Speaker's still great, but it has less bass, obviously less good. But overall, it is an amazing speaker. The battery life, again, is rated for 24 hours. It comes with this handle. And ultimately, when comparing this against the JBL Charge, it's bigger, it's a little louder, the sound is pretty comparable, but the speaker is cheaper. And one of the biggest things to notice is that this uses 80 watts. JBL uses less. So again, Anker Boom 2, the best speaker I've ever owned. Could not recommend enough. You can buy it on Amazon, link below.